Hi, my name is Rod Fowble. I'm an Arizona Automotive Institute employee for Executive Admissions Rep and Admissions. Welcome to our virtual open house. Today we're going to go through a few things. I'm going to kind of give the best depiction of what we do here at Arizona Automotive and our history and how we do things and all. And if there are questions, you can chat them in the chat directly, and I will get to them as they come across. Okay, slide. So here at AAI, we support our students under two actions, our mission statement and our core values. Now, integrity, um, that's our mission statement basically speaks to how we inspire and empower individuals through education and skill development. We prominently train hands-on here. But to accomplish this mission, we utilize our core values as a blueprint to create the environment needed to build the professional development of our students and employees. Our core values are made up of integrity, customer service, innovation, and growth. Integrity, it's everything to us. It starts and ends with that. Mastering this will ensure all decisions that we make are in line and compliant for our students. Customer service, every day we look to exceed our expectations for our students, and it's always worth the time and attention to do so. When it comes to innovation, we look to find new and exciting ways to improve our educational programs and experience for our students, so they're always getting the best thing. Growth, we all are on the path of growth. We are committed to professional development. It is important to us. It is the success of our company and our students. Slide. Now let's talk about the history of AAI. We were established in 1968, teaching automotive and diesel right here in Glendale, Arizona. Been around for a long time. We then, in 2004, we started our HVAC training program, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, both commercial and residential. In 2009, our combination welding program came to life. Followed up with, in 2021, we started a commercial and residential electrical technician program too. In 2022, our construction trades management degree began. Very important and great program. Followed up in 2023 with CDL Class A license training. Now, importantly, in 2025, AAI was acquired by Lindenwood Education System. We currently operate a 77,000 square foot campus full of classroom, labs, and equipment for all of our students to use. But AAI has remained in the same and only location with its original commitment to help students find vocational training. Slide. Now, when it comes to our approvals and accreditation, we are fully accredited by the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges, also known as ACCSC. We are approved by the Arizona State Board of Private Post-Secondary Education, too. And we also are approved by the Veterans Administration and State Vocational Rehab Services. AEI also maintains a number of memberships and local national organizations related to all of our training programs that we offer here at the school. Slide. Now let's talk about benefits of short-term training. I'd say the biggest benefit of short-term training is time, of course. At major universities, it could take you 4 to 6 years to finish school. And even at community colleges, it could take you 2 to 3. But here at AAI, we have programs that run from 2 months to 18 months, depending on your choice of program. Our whole focus is to get you trained, skilled, and help you get certified and matched up with the right career opportunities every day. Slide. Our student body is very diverse. They come to us for many life-changing reasons. These are just the top 10. I want you all out there to take a look at these for a moment. And I want you to think about how many of these are you? How many of these are going on in your life right now and that you need to make a change in? I think you're going to probably find at least one, two, or even more that are listed right here that need to be looked at. And I want you to know that that makes you just like our students. They've come to a certain point, a fork in the road, where a change has to be made. And that's where we come in. Slide. Now, when it comes to our financial services department walks our students hand in hand through the process of applying for government grant programs, student loans, scholarships. They make sure our students are educated on responsible borrowing. And remember, financial aid is available to those who qualify, but they take extra care. They go hand in hand with you, making sure all those questions are answered as you go through that very rigorous process at times. Make sure you understand how all of our resources come into play for you. Slide. Now let's talk about our instructors. It's important to a lot of people. If you've been to school before, we've all had good instructors, we've all had bad instructors, but they are a key component to how our students learn. All of our instructors are industry experienced and bring that real world knowledge and skill to the classroom every day. Students learn by doing in active hands-on learning environment. So you're definitely going to be learning why you're physically doing whatever it is that you're trying to build your career on. Students also train on industry-related equipment in our labs. So everything is right in line and very similar with what's going on and being used out there in that career field right now. Our instructors, well, they will advise and guide our students in understanding a lot of different areas of the industry. A lot of these careers have wide roads, many paths. You can utilize the career field in a lot of different ways. Exampling welding. That program, you could do heavy construction welding. You could do fabrication. Lots of different ways it's applicable. So they'll kind of show them and guide them and inform them about all the positives and negatives of things to help them adjust their focuses. Now also, tutoring is available regularly from all of our instructors. Pretty easy to get too. All of our instructors are readily able, and it's just a matter of talking to them and setting up an appointment so that you're able to kind of spend that needed time with them to explain whatever it is that you need. So they can always get that help that they need, okay? Slide. Wow, career services team. In my book, one of the most important teams. They're the finish line team, in my opinion. In our career services department, they work with program advisory committees made up of local major employers from the industries we teach in. And they meet with them. And these employers will suggest changes or modifications to our programs that we offer here at the school. So we're always meeting the local workforce needs. So we're adjusting as the industry adjusts. Also, career services will help our students in professional development, job searching, resume writing, cover letters, and even practice interviews to prepare our students and build their confidence when interviewing with prospective employers. So they're going to get you pretty prepared and get you out in front of all of our partners and friends we have here across this valley and state. Slide. Now, student services, that's a little different department. They come into play in little situations that may occur. That department is here to address the needs and concerns of our students while attending school. It's always now when you're trying to do something great for yourself that life starts throwing you a few horseshoes and messing you up. But that's okay. They provide helpful information to students experiencing things like transportation or childcare challenges. They also help organize our graduations, which allow our graduates to invite their family and friends to come celebrate their successes. I must warn you, this event is big, it's exciting, and very rewarding, not just to our students, but to our entire faculty and administration. It's what we and our students strive for, the finish line. And to see our students walk across the stage couldn't be more rewarding. Slide. Now, what have we learned so far? So let's do a short little recap. We offer industry-related equipment. All our labs are got plenty of tools, diagnostic equipment, welders, everything you need to be successful here, okay? We have tutoring directly with our instructors. Their experience and knowledge is going to guide you every step of the way. We have a financial services department. So important. We are a hand-in-hand school, so that bleeds right down to every department, including financial aid. They're going to help guide you through all those directly, okay? We're backed by an accrediting body, ACCSC, a well-recognized accreditation, is always making sure that we're meeting standards every year. Not only do we meet them, but we've several times exceeded them too. Short-term training, it's all about that, right? How quickly can we get you skilled, help you get certified, and out to that workforce as quickly as possible? Industry experienced instructors. These individuals are going to be right there with you, passing that knowledge directly on to you, guiding you hand in hand in class. Student services, life's hiccups. They're going to come at you. They're going to come at you fast. But just don't worry. We know that you're going to talk to your family, but we're family too. Come talk to us. We might have a resolution for that problem that might be occurring. Career services, the team that gets you there. That team, they're going to work directly with you. They're going to help prepare you professionally, get you all positive and prepared so that they can get you in contact with all those right opportunities. Graduation ceremony. I love that. That's one of the best parts. That's when you can kind of close the book on this chapter and open the new book to your career, starting that new chapter. And let's not forget the main component to all of our success here, hands-on training. It's important. A lot of these trades are learned by people who like to learn with their hands. So we teach to that method. Okay? So this is what builds AAI success. Remember, we're a school that's been around for a long time. We might be known in the Valley, but we're really known for you, our students and graduate. How you come out of here and how successful you are is what really brings the attention back to us and the employers too. Slide. Now let's do another review over our programs that we offer so you got a little more information. So we currently offer our Automotive Service Technician program. It's 13 months training program. Combination welding program. That is a helping you guide through all the trainings of MIG, TIG, and stick, all three versions. And it's a 10-month training program. Construction and Trades Management, AAS degree. That is a great program if you're looking to grow deeper into the industry that you're already been training through. It's 18 months. We have our CDL Class A license training. It is a 1 to 2 month program. Diesel heavy truck mechanic program, taking you through that truck through trailer and everything above and below. 13 months training on that one. Short and sweet. We've got our electrical technician program. both commercial and residential, is a 10-month program. And our HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning program, also commercial and residential. It's 10 months training. Now, these are the programs that all of our students currently are going through and being successful in. That could be you too. We're located, just so you know, the address is there on the slide. We're right downtown of Glendale, 6829 North 46th Avenue. We're right on a bus line service too, so we're pretty accessible. Slide. Now, at this time, if there are any questions or anything like that, you're able to put them in that chat right there, and I will be able to see them and give my attention to them. So I'm going to give everybody who's watching just a moment to think of anything that might be lingering there. Okay, no questions. Well, that's great. That means I did a pretty good job, right? But if any of you would like to come down for a tour and see the campus, the labs, speak to an admissions rep, even myself, please email us right there at admissions@aai.edu. And on behalf of myself and the AAI family, I would like to thank you for attending this open house and look forward to seeing you in your next career.